The Lost Key. Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom, there lived a kind and curious young prince named Alex. One day, while exploring the castle's many rooms, he stumbled upon an old, locked door. Intrigued, he asked the castle's keeper, an old man named John, about the door's purpose. John told him that it was the door to the castle's treasure room, and that the key to open it had been lost centuries ago. Alex was determined to find the key and unlock the door. He searched high and low, from the castle's towers to the depths of its dungeons, but the key was nowhere to be found. Just as he was about to give up, he remembered something his father, the king, had told him about a wise old sage who lived in a secluded cave in the mountains. He knew he must seek out this sage, as he could be his only hope of finding the key. So, Alex set out on a journey to the mountains and eventually, after a long day travel, he found the sage's cave. The sage welcomed Alex and listened patiently as he explained his quest. The sage told him that the key was not something that could be found, but rather something that must be earned. He gave Alex 3 tasks to complete. First, he must solve a riddle, then, he must pass a test of courage, and lastly, he must perform an act of kindness. Alex was determined he'd complete all the tasks with success, and the sage rewarded him with the key to the treasure room. Alex could hardly contain his excitement as he raced back to the castle and unlocked the door to the treasure room. But to his surprise, the room was empty. The sage had given him the key, but the real treasure was the journey he had undertaken to find it. Alex learned that true riches were not in the form of gold and jewels, but in the experiences, the lessons, and the memories he gained along the way. He returned to the sage's cave, thanked him for the valuable lesson, and returned to the castle, where he shared his newfound wisdom with his family and friends.